Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already know the basics. Now act. First, verify the syllabus, grading rubric, and deadlines so you aim at the right target. Next, map your current grade and list 3 week topics to prioritize. Then build a 90-day microplan. Schedule daily 25 to 50-minute focus sessions, plus 2 1 to 2 hour weekly review blocks. Once scheduled, block those times in your calendar and treat them like fixed classes. You'll create momentum and measurable early wins. Now deepen your work. Switch from passive reading to active recall and spaced repetition so you remember longer and understand why. Practice with past exams and timed problems, simulate test conditions, and note time per question to improve pacing. Teach concepts aloud, explain them as if to a peer, because teaching reveals gaps you must fill. Make weekly checks. If accuracy stalls, break problems into steps and drill that step for 20 minutes. Once done, update your plan and increase intensity on weakest skills. In the last stretch, simulate full exams under strict timing at least twice. After each, categorize every mistake by cause, conceptual, careless, or timing, and make a targeted fix list. Then refine your exam strategy. Decide question order, allocate buffer minutes, and use quick elimination tricks to save time. If performance drops, don't panic. Break problems into 15-minute fixes and get focused tutor feedback on the single hardest concept. Finally, make sure to rest the day before so you perform at peak sharpness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.